Hey guys, it's Audrey here from Mom Generation. So I wanted to do a video on how to make some quick, easy money at home. All my mom friends out there, if you guys are watching this, I have been doing eBay, for over a year now, pretty consistently. I did it for a long time, years ago when the kids were babies. And to be honest with you, I kind of thought the whole eBay thing had kind of faded. It was so big 13 years ago. I mean, I remember that's how, honestly, like I paid rent in New York City. My husband and I were just resellers. That's all we would do, among working. But it was an easy way to make some extra money, especially for young 20-somethings. So now I'm 40. My husband is in his 40s. And I just want to show you guys, a lot of people have asked me about eBay and where I'm getting stuff and how do you find stuff. And to be honest with you, I genuinely just find stuff in my house. Now, I don't go crazy. I don't go overboard. I literally just get and use what I have here. So I'm going to show you guys what I mean. I thought of doing this video because I was walking up to my son's bedroom to go in their closet to see if there's anything in there that I genuinely could potentially pop on eBay. Now, I was in the bathroom with really good lighting, and now I guess if I stand like this, right? But let me go over to their closet. And this is what I mean by this. Let me see. Okay, so lights on. So here we have my son's closet. This is William and Alexander's closet. And what I do, and since it's now going to be summer, I just am going through all of their shirts and see, okay, so what fits, what doesn't, what could potentially sell, and what, quite frankly, will I just need to donate. So this is a perfect example. So here we have a Ralph Lauren button-down shirt. It is in great condition. Here, let me hang it up like this so you guys can see it behind me. So it's in great condition. Obviously, I'm going to button it up. I'll pop it on my swash and have it get nice and pressed so it looks really good for a photo. It's a great shirt. It's a size medium, size 10. So I genuinely know that at least 3 of my sons will not fit in this. And to be honest with you, my son Henry, I don't need to keep a million shirts for Henry. So I will just go through everything. See, Vineyard Vine, this is a perfect example. My sons will wear this, so I will not sell this. But there's stuff in here that I know. Here's another shirt. What brand is this? This is Crew Cuts. This says it's a size 8. Henry is definitely not an 8. So this is an example of something that I would definitely sell. Okay, so, and again, I just wanted to show you quickly how I get product right in my own home. As you're transitioning out the seasons, I mean, it's pretty much Memorial Day weekend, so it's pretty much summer, right? Now I'll walk into Victoria's bedroom. Here we go. So, and I literally will go from room to room. I'll open drawers, like this is Victoria's bureau. Open one of her drawers up, and I'll just go, it's so dark in here, I have to open a window, and I'll just literally go through the clothing because I haven't done a huge massive clean out in a while for her stuff. So I genuinely will go through, see what she has, see what I can get rid of, see what would be good to sell, what would be good to donate. She has her closet here, which I also could go through too. I also have I've taken a section of her closet with all of my shoes, and I'll go through that stuff too. I also think it's important, I say at least once a season, so 4 times a year, to go through and just do an inventory of what you have and what you will wear for yourself, for my husband. Honestly, let me show you this. I did this for my husband. I'm going to turn all the lights on. It's so dark. I'm sorry, guys. Sorry. So I did this with my husband the other day, and look at all of these shorts. So I said, honey, you never wear these. These are shorts and pants. So all those things right there, I'm going to pop up on eBay. I mean, he never wears them. So I said to him, it's like having a $20 bill just like sitting in your closet. You don't wear it. You don't need it. So I'm honestly just going to sell it. So, again, if you are looking to make some extra money, start with what you have. Start right in your closet. Start looking through the clothing that your kids are growing out of, that you don't wear. And then look at toys. Look at electronics. Look at, anything and everything in your house that you're genuinely not using and don't mind parting with. Because there is money to be made. We took Victoria's, don't judge. We took her crib. Yes, her crib down. It's a beautiful crib. And we could sell that. So it's just genuinely finding things that you can sell and making it work for you. So definitely give it a shot.